Jumper AI is a brand new AI tool that's making waves in the tech world. And if you're looking for a powerful, intuitive software to improve your business, marketing, or creative projects, you've found the right place. In this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about Jumper AI, including what makes it stand out from the competition and why it's generating so much buzz. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to decide whether Jumper AI is the best choice for you. First off, one of the things that caught my attention is the simplicity of Jumper AI. Unlike other complex software that requires hours of training, this tool is built to be user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll find the interface straightforward, allowing you to jump straight into your work. No steep learning curve, just results. Another standout feature of Jumper AI is its automation capabilities. This software excels at automating repetitive tasks, which is a game changer for businesses looking to save time and increase productivity. For example, Jumper AI can handle everything from lead generation to customer support responses, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. Now, you might be wondering, how does it actually perform in real-world applications? Well, Jumper AI doesn't just handle simple tasks. It excels in content creation as well. The AI can generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, and even marketing copy at scale. It's a fantastic tool for digital marketers or anyone who needs to produce content quickly without sacrificing quality. One of the biggest advantages of Jumper AI is its versatility. It's not limited to just one function. Whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or marketer, Jumper AI can adapt to your specific needs. It's got features for everything from SEO optimization to email marketing automation, so you're getting more than just a one-trick pony. But here's the thing. While the software has a lot of powerful features, it's important to note that Jumper AI's pricing structure is competitive compared to other high-end AI tools. You're getting top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Plus, you can try it out completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. No strings attached. Now, let's talk about the customer support. This is something I always pay close attention to, and I was impressed with Jumper AI's response time and the quality of support provided. They have a dedicated team that's ready to help with any issues you might face. Whether you need help getting started or have a specific question, they've got you covered. Jumper AI also stands out when it comes to integrations. It plays well with other major tools you might already be using in your workflow, like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and email marketing platforms. This seamless integration makes it easy to incorporate Jumper AI into your existing tech stack without a hitch. Lastly, I want to touch on the future potential of Jumper AI. The developers behind this software are actively rolling out new features and updates based on user feedback. If you're looking for a tool that will only get better over time, Jumper AI is definitely one to keep an eye on. So, after testing it out and reviewing all the key features, I can confidently say that Jumper AI is one of the best AI tools released this year. It's easy to use, feature-packed, and comes at a competitive price point. If you're looking for a tool to help you automate tasks, create content, and streamline your digital marketing, Jumper AI could be exactly what you need. And don't forget, you can try Jumper AI for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software, so make sure to check out those links as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.